So viewers, today we are going to discuss also about Bitcoin Core Wallet, and in this video we are going to get the backup of our Bitcoin Core Wallet. Yes, if you need to restore, recover your wallet, you must have your backup file. Also, you must have your private key, but main necessary thing is that you must have your backup file. If you create a multiple accounts in your Bitcoin Core Wallet, so you must need to restore your wallet to have backup file. So how can you get the backup file or how to backup your Bitcoin Core wallet? There's two ways. The first way is you can you can backup your wallet, backup file your Bitcoin Core wallet, and you can also find the backup file from your system. So how can you do? Simple is that in this video I'm giving to complete information. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So here, let's start our video. First of all, I'm going to open my Bitcoin Core wallet. You can see here the loading is shown. In last video, we have discussed how we can find wallet address. If you need to deposit your money in your Bitcoin Core wallet, you must have your wallet address. So I'm going to click on hide button. And now you can see here my main wallet is open in front of me. If you need to deposit your wallet, you must have complete all blockchain data download at your system. After that, you can perform this action. Okay, without download all blockchain data, you don't deposit any money in your Bitcoin Core wallet because don't shown here. Only shown in your blockchain explorer, but don't show in your Bitcoin Core wallet. So today we are going to take the backup of our Bitcoin Core wallet. I already told you there is two ways. The first way is you can take the backup of your wallet from Bitcoin Core wallet, and second, you can directly save the backup from your laptop. You can see here the file option is available here. If I need to backup of my Bitcoin Core wallet, so simple is that. Just simple click on file button, and the option is available here, backup wallet. Backup wallet. You just simple click on it, and then the main option is available here where you save your Bitcoin Core wallet backup file. This is the wallet data file, means that file going to save in my system, Bitcoin backup file. Before going to save this file, keep in your mind, you must take the multiple backup of this file. Let's suppose if you save in your system, you must copy this backup file to your USB and also write this backup file your CD, because sometime your laptop window will be corrupted, so your file will be lost and you can't recover, restore your wallet. So keep in your mind, this is a warning for you. Must make the multiples copy of this Bitcoin backup file. Okay, going to save button. I have saved. You can see here Bitcoin Core wallet backup successfully. After stop this video, I will make the multiple copy of this stat file. This is a necessary for me. The first way we have completed. But the next way, the second way is simple is that you just type here app data folder, directly app data folder. You can see here going to click on open button, and you can see here you just find the Bitcoin folder here. Bitcoin folder here. We're going to back local area, and you can see here local area. You just simple go to the local area and click on Bitcoin wallet. Bitcoin wallet backup file here available here. You can see here your blockchain data safe on this wallet, only 16 MB blockchain wallet safe here. that files we save here. This is the your blockchain data. And if you need to get the your backup of your wallet, so you can see here the third option is available here, wallet, Bitcoin. And you can see here, this is your backup file, your DAT file. So you must save folder from this app data folder, just simple copy and paste in your save drive. Let's suppose I want to save this data folder in my D drive. So just simple copy Bitcoin folder and paste here. And this DAT file will be helpful for me if I want to restore, recover my wallet. Okay, viewers. Well, I hope you properly understand how can you restore or recover your or backup your Bitcoin Core wallet. In coming video, I will give you more information how to restore your wallet or how to recover your wallet. And also I will give you more information how to change your password. In last video, we have locked my wallet, but you can see here, there's shown the until shown amount to click the select another unit. Okay. And also you can see here, I have remaining 17 years and 14 weeks behind data. And today, now we are downloading Saturday, January 323, 15 for 2009. And recently transaction may not be visible and therefore your wallet balance might be incorrect because you when you have not download all blockchain data. This information will be correct once your wallet has finished synchronized with the Bitcoin network as detailed below. Attempting to spend Bitcoin that are affected by not yet displayed transaction will not be expected by the network accepted by the network. Okay, so just keep in your mind when you're going to deposit in your Bitcoin Core wallet, you must complete blockchain data and download. I already told you it's maybe take 6 to 7 days. It's also depend on your net speed and also depend on your laptop speed. Okay. So as I hope you probably understand how can you back off your Bitcoin Core wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info and also press the bell icon button. And if you get same information, this video about this Bitcoin Core wallet, you can join my other channel, Bash Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.